Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, you might be wondering how to transfer your XRP tokens to your Metamask wallet. XRP, the cryptocurrency from Ripple, isn't natively supported on Metamask since it's built for Ethereum-based networks. But don't worry, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can do this quickly and securely. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the basics set up. You'll need a wallet or exchange where your XRP is currently stored, like a Ripple wallet or an exchange such as Coinbase or Binance. Also, ensure your Metamask wallet is installed and updated to the latest version for 2025 compatibility. Head to the Chrome Web Store or wherever you get your extensions if you haven't already. Step 1. Bridge your XRP to a compatible network. Since Metamask works with EVM chains, you'll likely need to use a bridging service like Wrapped XRP or a platform such as Layer 0 or Wormhole. Go to a reputable bridge website, connect your original XRP wallet, and select Metamask as your destination. Double-check the network, aim for Ethereum or Layer2 solution for smoother transfers. Step 2. Initiate the transfer. Once connected, enter the amount of XRP you want to move. Remember, there might be some fees involved, so keep an eye on gas prices if you're bridging to Ethereum. Hit confirm, and approve the transaction in your Metamask pop-up. This usually takes a few minutes, so grab a coffee while it processes. Step 3. Verify everything. After the transfer, check your Metamask wallet to ensure your XRP, or its wrapped version, has arrived. Look for any confirmation emails or app notifications, and always double-check the token's address to avoid scams. A quick tip. In 2025, regulatory changes might affect XRP transfers, so stay updated with official Ripple announcements. If you run into issues, community forums like Reddit or Discord can be super helpful. There you have it. That's how you transfer XRP to your Metamask wallet in 2025. It's easier than it sounds once you get the hang of it. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.